Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel. Students, today onwards we start a series that is mathematics most important question for your periodic test 2 class 8 DAV Public School Cuttack. This question is also important for your annual exam 2024-25. So let us start the session. Before start, if you are new in my channel, then you can subscribe my channel. Also, you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group for PDF. So, first question, evaluate 0.008 to the power 2 by 3. So, how to solve? Now, these questions you can solve by the two method. Okay. So, how to solve? The first is, we know that the decimal number when you convert it into fraction, then you can write 8 divided by 1000. Yes or no? Because after decimal 3 digit means 30, then 8 by 1000 to the power 2 by 3. Now we can write 8 as 2 to the power 3 because here is power is denominator is 3, that's why we convert the number into 3 power. So now we can write 10 to the power 3 again whole to the power 2 by 3. Now we can write 2 by 10 to the power 3 again whole to the power 2 by 3. Yes or no? Now 2 by 10, now power means multiply, that is 3 into 2 by 3. So 3 cancel. Now 2 by 10, so 2 by 10 to the power 2, that is 2 to the power 4, sorry 2 square, that is 4 by 100. 0.04. Okay. Now the other method is simply you can write 0.08 as 0.2 to the power 3 again whole to the power 2 by 3. Yes or no? Now 0.2 to the power 3 into 2 by 3. Now cancel 3, that is 0.2 square, that is 0.04. Okay. Now next question, find the value of x if 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x plus 1 equal to 12. So how to solve? Now we know that we can write 2 to the power x plus, here we can write 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 1. Now because we know that if a to the power m plus n, we can write a to the power m into a to the power n. Yes or no? Because if base are same, power will be added. If the power will be added, we can write this. Yes or no? Now equal to 12. Okay. Now here 2 to the power x and 2 to the power x are common. So take common as 2 to the power x. The remaining are 1 plus 2 equal to 12. Now 2 to the power x into 2 plus 1, that is 3 equal to 12. 2 to the power x equal to 12 divided by 3, that is 2 to the power x equal to 4. Now that implies 2 to the power x equal to 2 to the power 2. So base are equal means we can write power equal, that is x equal to 2. Okay, so answer is 2. So next question, also find x. 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x, you can write 3 into 2 to the power x. Now because we know that x plus x means 3x. Yes or no? If the same quantity will be written in 3 times, we can write 3 into this quantity, that is 3x. Here is 3 into 2 to the power x equal to 48. Okay. Now 2 to the power x equal to 48 divided by 3. Now 2 to the power x equal to 16. 2 to the power x equal to converted into 2, that is 2 to the power 4. So x equal to 4. Any doubt? Okay. So next question, 4.25 into 10 to the power minus 7. Minus means the decimal position will be left side. How many? Na 7 times. Then you can write 0.25 0 0 0 0 6টা 0 1 2 3 4 5 6টা 0 4 2 5 देखो first here decimal position after 4 now here देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 okay this is the 4.25 into 10 to the power minus 7 okay this is called standard form this is called usual form. Then solve this. How to solve? Now plus means the decimal position will be go to right. Okay, so how? Now 4 3 9 how many 0? Now already 2 number are gone, then 5 0. Now 1 2 3 4 5 check decimal after 4. Yes, now decimal is here because we know that any real number or any number, any positive number, the decimal is after the number. So now number decimal position is here. So count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now the answer is correct. So answer is 43950. Okay, so completed. So next section आम नेक्स्ट क्लास रे करिबा. यदि पीडीएफ चाहूच देन जॉइन हो जाओ व्हाट्सएप टेलीग्राम ग्रुप रे फॉर डेली अपडेट. Subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. When I upload the video then you can notify. Till then, thank you.